It's the yellow yam for me with my Jamaican style rundown. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today I'll be doing some Jamaican style rundown with salt mackerel. So I soaked my salt mackerel overnight in some water, and here I will be scalding this off for 10 minutes. Because it's really salty, I left this to soak overnight. This is my way, and I will be boiling this or scalding this off for 10 minutes with some lime peel. As you can see, here are my seasonings. My coconut milk is the first thing that I will need to add in my pot, and I will boil this until it becomes a custard. Once it is boiled and you're able to see it with the oil on top of it, then you're on your merry way to prep your salt mackerel, which once it's boiled, this one was in fillets. It did not have a lot of bones. I just tried to remove as much of the skin, the black area, from off the salt mackerel. Rundown can be cooked with saltfish, salt mackerel, and I love rundown. I love anything with coconut. I am a coconut girl. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today I'll be preparing an all-time Jamaican favorite, rundown with salt mackerel. Once I am done removing the skin, I rinse this twice, and then I will be ready to add this to my sauce. So here my coconut milk has been boiling for 25 minutes. It has started to have custard in it, and I used 1 tin of coconut milk for this. You can add green beans if you want. You can add whatever you choose. Once I added this and it boiled for 15 minutes in, then I added all my seasonings, which were onions, bell pepper, and a little garlic I added, and my scallion and my thyme. Here I am just adding a little hint of black pepper on this. I also use a little vinegar, and this is my way. I've seen persons prepare it and they add a little brown sugar to it. I did not add any sugar. I just added a little vinegar. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please remember, like the video, share the video, please leave a comment. Remember, home cooked meals are necessary. Home cooked meals are very important because you are able to maintain and to contain your salt intake. Home cooked meals are delicious. So after I added in my salt mackerel, I just added a little pepper to get a little more spice in it because I wanted it spicier. And I wanted this with a lot of custard. Hence the reason I used a whole tin of coconut milk. It was not a lot of mackerel. I could have opted to use half tin of the coconut milk, but I love the custard. This I served with some really nice Jamaican style yellow yam that we get here in our state to buy, with some green bananas and some dumplings. Let me tell you, this was delicious. My son never had this before, and he was wondering where the name originated from, but he loved it. This was another lit video. salt mackerel rundown. Not sure why Jamaicans call it that, but here you can see my dinner is served. Everything looks palatable, everything looks nice. This was a quick, easy dinner. Again, here's another one of my videos. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit your notification bell. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you all for your continued support. Please remember, I'm also on Facebook at Shells Island Flavor Cooking. I am also on Instagram at Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Stay tuned. See you soon. Love you all, and I can't thank you all enough for clicking on my videos. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video. Look at my meal. It's the yam for me. I love me some Jamaican yellow yam, which is so dry like the egg yolk. Stay tuned. Love you all.